How artificial intelligence has made understanding consumer buying behavior easy in 2025. In recent times, the emergence of the future of artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the way we perceive and engage in marketing.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Surprisingly, AI is proving to be a valuable asset, offering benefits that will continue to unfold provided we use it wisely. The major benefit is the positive impact it has made on enabling marketers to analyze and understand consumer buying behavior. Marketers are studying the behavior of online users to increase the effectiveness of their marketing plans and strategies. The collection of data such as browsing patterns, searches, and views has allowed marketers to understand the preferences of the audience better. In recent years, AI and marketing have begun working in close association. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are rapidly becoming an integral part of many industries, including marketing. With constant evolution in technology, AI has certainly changed marketing. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are rapidly becoming integral parts of marketing, driving innovation across industries. From virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant to chatbots and predictive analytics, AI is reshaping how marketers approach product promotion, customer engagement, and campaign development. The practice of predicting future behaviors by analyzing customer responses dates back to 1998. With AI, companies develop this by learning from past campaigns, showcasing more of the content that garners positive engagements and aligning with customer preferences. Now, let's have a glance at how AI has influenced marketing. How AI simplifies consumer buying behavior. AI and consumer behavior offer good insights when closely related and used together. Retailers find a natural connection between AI and consumer behavior. To gather evidence and analyze how consumers are shopping these days is so complex due to the availability of a large amount of data. This is made easy with AI. When AI is mixed with human-produced data and information for analyzing consumer behavior, the actual benefit of AI comes to the picture. Using AI to analyze the online buying behavior of the customer becomes essential to survive in the marketing world. With new AI features like customized marketing messages, customers are compelled to check out the offers being offered by the brand. All of this is the result of behavioral marketing. Challenges in understanding consumer buying behavior. Understanding consumer buying behavior has traditionally been a complex task for businesses. Several challenges arise in this process, including diverse factors influencing behavior. Consumers are influenced by a multitude of factors, including cultural, social, personal, and psychological elements. Traditional analysis methods often struggle to capture the complexity of these interconnected factors. Dynamic nature of preferences. Consumer preferences are constantly evolving, making it challenging for businesses to keep up with changing trends and adapt their strategies accordingly. Limited data accuracy. Traditional data collection methods may suffer from inaccuracies and biases, leading to a less precise understanding of consumer behavior. Integration of online and offline data. With the rise of online shopping, businesses face the challenge of integrating data from both online and offline channels to create a comprehensive and unified view of consumer behavior. Complex buyer journey. Buyers typically drive long and complex buyer journeys that encompass research, comparisons, online-offline touchpoints, and post-purchase feedback. It is not easy to understand and map these journeys because it is a nonlinear process. Emotional versus rational decisions. Logically, consumers don't always choose to buy.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.